What if the future of AI, self-driving cars, and robotics depends on one thing: chips? Tesla CEO Elon Musk has unveiled an ambitious plan. Terafab, a massive semiconductor facility in Austin, Texas, built with Tesla, SpaceX, and xAI. Terafab is not just another factory. Musk calls it a Gigafactory, but way bigger. Its goal: to produce AI chips at an unprecedented scale to power future technologies. According to Musk, current chip suppliers like Samsung and TSMC cannot meet future demand. With AI, robotics, and autonomous driving growing rapidly, chip shortages could slow innovation. Terafab will focus on Tesla's next-generation AI-5 chip, designed for full self-driving, FSD, advanced robotics, high-performance AI systems. But building semiconductor fabs is extremely complex, costing billions of dollars and taking years to become operational. Musk also hinted at a bold vision: AI-powered satellites in space, creating a global computing network. Terafab could redefine chip manufacturing and shape the future of AI. The question is, will Tesla build the future or wait for it?